Hello viewers, and welcome back again to another great day of great tutorial from Learn With Your Brains. And still you're going straight to Dr. Don, or you can call me any prosperous name I'm talking about. So without wasting my time, I'm going to show you how you can identify your Facebook number. Okay, so Facebook has a little subdomain that comprises all its members and has given each individual numbers. Okay, so without wasting my time, let me show you how it's done. So all you need to do is to type in app.the faces of Facebook, as I've already typed it here, and just click on the first link and it should give you this information right here. So it's trying to populate all the data. So you could see as we talk now, people are creating accounts on Facebook and it's trying to identify or give them numbers. So you could see all these, you could see right here is images, okay, of each individual. So when I click on this, you see it's zooming and you see we have over 1 billion faces of Facebook altogether, and you could see all these Facebook profiles are being populated by Facebook right now to show us each individual number. Okay, you could see this lady right here is number 404 million, like 404 million, number 404 million. Okay, so you can scroll down and still you could find some other faces right here. Okay, perfect. So as you can see, this is 405. I think 405. This is 405. Let's go down. So you could see it's still populating all the faces. So 405 in that order. So you're going to see a whole lot. So as you scroll, you can scroll up and down. Over 1 billion faces. Let me close this, because when you click on it will tell you to log in, because you need to verify some stuff so that you can see. I mean, so easy. As you can see, we are not breaking breaking any Facebook privacy rules, because we don't store anyone's private information, pictures or names. Okay, we have just found a harmless way to show 1 billion Facebook profile pictures in a single page. Okay, so that is so they are not going to show any private information of each individual. This is just to show you how to know your Facebook number. So you can just log in with your account if you like and just see your number, okay, personally. Okay, so that is how you can identify a number by using this simple subdomain from this domain. That's the faces of Facebook.com, and they are saying they are not going to populate nobody or trying to show nobody private information, which is very good in security. Okay, so that brings us to the end of today's tutorial, as I showed you how you can identify your number. Okay, but if you want to know your number, you just need to log in with your Facebook account and just go ahead and try to find your own number, but don't try to search for some. Yeah, we have some numbers already here, but don't try to steal any information for security reason, or as they say, they are not going to show anybody's private information to you as usual. Okay, so that is how you identify a number on Facebook. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and stay safe and be blessed. Take care. Goodbye.